So me and my friend decided we were going to have a dinner party tonight, and we want to try a few new recipes in Finn's new book, because my friend's mom is celiac and so is Finn. So we had a look through it, and some of the stuff is amazing, and we can't wait to try out. Well, we're making a soup from her book called the Mysterious Mexican Soup, and we're also making paella, which also looks so cool.
Good spelling.
Yeah, that's how I'd spell it.
If I may, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.